I got this rifle sling, so let's go ahead and take it out of the box. Check it out. All right, so when you open the box, this is everything that comes in. Of course, it comes with the sling itself. It comes with this Velcro with a keychain and a clip on it that you could use for basically a keychain if you wanted, but you can also use this to change around how you do the different clips on whatever rifle you decide to put this on. It comes with a mounting bracket here where if you're going to put this around, let's say the butt of your AR, and it comes with these style tactical mounts. So if your rifle does not have the mounts on it, you can put these different style tactical mounts on there and be able to hook up your sling. So they thought a little bit about everything on here, so I shouldn't have any problem installing this on anything I want to put it on, but I do have a rifle in mind. All right, so here is the strap installed on this rifle that we have here. This rifle already had little sections here built into it to hold straps. So I basically used the key ring that came in the package to be able to put these straps on. And then I used another one down here to hang it at the bottom. It's gonna do on this rifle really well. And it's a really nice long strap. It gives you a lot of room to adjust this so you can have it as big as you want. This is how I set it to be able to hold this rifle over my shoulder and it not sag too far. But yeah, all in all, it's very nice, very sturdy strap. Like I said, it's got a ton of adjustment and I think it's gonna work really well on this rifle. All right, so I hope this review was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.